This is Vape Coils in 2 minutes. Vape coils are known as coils, atomizer heads, attys, atomizers. They're all the same thing. Quick facts, not all coils fit in all tanks. All vape coils will need changing. The time span's different and it's anywhere between a few days and a few weeks. A vape coil is made of a metal case, a coil of wire and some wicking material. The coil can be made of different metals, but the most common is Kanthal, and that works in pretty much every vape kit. So how do they work? You press the button on your kit and the battery from your kit provides power to the coil. That coil then converts that power to heat. These little holes here on the side are e-liquid inlets, and as you draw on your e-cig and press the button, e-liquid's pulled through the tank through these holes via suction. The e-liquid then soaks into the wicking material and the coil of wire heats up the juice that's there and vaporises it into the form that you inhale. More quick facts. You're going to see this symbol here and you're going to read the word ohm when you're looking for new coils. It's all techie stuff, ignore it, unless you want to Google it. Coils generally fall into 2 categories, high and low resistance. That means a bigger number or a smaller number. High resistance coils have a resistance above 1 ohm. These use a lower power, produce smaller clouds of vapour, use less e-liquid and are suited to most e-cigs. Low resistance coils have a resistance less than 1 ohm, commonly referred to as sub-ohm. These require higher powers, produce larger clouds of vapour, use more e-liquid, are not suitable for all e-cigs, and run your battery out quicker. How do you know if your vape coil needs changing? If you're experiencing any of these, chances are you need a new vape coil. So what coil should you choose? Okay, this is going to sound like a cop-out, but it totally depends what works for you. Some vapors prefer an atomizer head that lasts a long time and they don't use as much e-liquid through the day. Others need to exhale large clouds of vapour and are more than happy to top up with juice more frequently. The best thing to do is to experiment. Try a few different resistances and see which one works for you. Here are the key things to remember from this video, paused out to read. Okay, that's everything you need to know about vape coils and in under 2 minutes.